And then we have tuples. So tuples are basically arrays where you can specify the exact types inside of the array. With any, yeah, you could have anything inside, but with tuple it's different because you can specify the exact type. Let's say here, okay, a person, and then it could be number or a string, or a boolean. So here it has to be the exact match. We go with a number first and then a string and then a boolean. And as you see, it's not complaining. However, if let's say you want to add another type of an array, here you got an error saying that it has 4 elements but the targets only allow 3. As you can see, it also specifies the number of items that could be within inside. But if we, let's say we remove this and also we remove true and change it with a number, this time the error is underneath the third item and it's saying number is not assignable to a boolean. And now there is another one major type that we have to cover, and it's tuples array. Okay, and basically how it works, it's the same thing we did when we defined ideas as a number and then we give it a value later on. So let's say employees, and then what we do is, yeah, we specify the types. So we've got number and then string, and then we have to add 2 brackets here that stands for an array. So basically what it means is an array of arrays that contain these 2 values. Right? So now we give our employee variable some value, and it's the following. So as we specified here, it has to be a number and a string. So let's say number 1 for Adam, and we see here that it's complaining, and basically because it's an array of employees. Okay, so we fixed the error, and now it's not complaining. It is valid code. So even if we have 1, it's still valid. If we have 2 or 3 or 100, it is always going to be some valid code. Okay, so here we say Alex, and as you can see, it's still valid.